Since 2000, Fundases, created in 1988 by the Colombian organization Minuto de Dios, produces and distributes the EM technology for the different country regions with the applications in livestock grazing, environmental sanitation, and building industry. Traditional agricultural exploitations are usually highly demanding in chemical synthesis enzymes, generating extra production costs and negative implications on the environment due to the pollution of water, soil, and in some cases food contamination. Currently, the production of vegetables with the EM technology has been applied joined with other microbiologic technology created by Fundases in the establishment of organic production, as in tomatoes, where it has resulted highly productive by eliminating the use of agricultural chemicals that represent the 30% of the total investment.
Nos encontramos en una experiencia de tomate 100% orgánico, certificado por la BCS de Alemania, donde ya encontramos los resultados. Partimos de la base del uso de la microbiología, tanto del suelo como del ambiente. Respecto a la tecnología, hemos implementado todo lo que tiene que ver con la tecnología Fundases a través de la aplicación de microorganismos enriquecidos como el EM, las diferentes presentaciones del Agroplus, y entendemos de que las plantas como seres vivos tenemos que entenderlas y trabajar con los seres vivos a través de los microorganismos.
In the production of cut flowers, the EM technology is applied in the handling of crops and post-harvest organic wastes, converting them into EM compost, a free pathologic fertilizer enriched with synthesized substances by the action of microorganisms, feeding them back to the productive system. As a phytosanitary control rule and soil conditioning, EM has been applied to ground and foliage, eliminating pathogen agents, increasing the native beneficial microorganisms. Also, it increased in 90% the rate of planted flowers by square meter and extended the plant's useful life. In carnations, for example, it raised from 160 to 200 weeks. In sugarcane, the organic wastes of harvest and industrial process were transformed in an organic amendment capable of improving the level of the soil organic material, so increasing the production revenues, both in improved soil and in the final product by raising the amount of produced sugar. The application of effective microorganism EM over installations, drink water for the animals and its food has demonstrated to be an efficient tool to drastically reduce odors generated at the places of animal exploitations, this way improving the general conditions of the animals without disturbing the community. Applying EM in animal exploitation centers by treating the manure and the urine can save 90% of water consumption. Concrete is one of the conglomerate materials most used in building industry. The efficient microorganism increases the water solubility and avoids the growth of microlumps of cement, this way improving the water-cement equation. In general terms, with the same amount of water, it can be achieved better resistance in short, medium, and long terms without using chemical additives. It also increases plasticity, eliminates cracks created by the contraction force of setting, and accomplishes the improvement of concrete finishes at site.
Hemos notado un gran beneficio de la utilización de este producto en reemplazo de los aditivos que se usan en el medio, que son aditivos químicos. Las ganancias o los beneficios que hemos tenido con este producto han sido una mejor plasticidad. Hemos visto ganancias de resistencia en el concreto a temprana edad y a los 28 días y a 90 días.
Eliminating chemical additives on concrete is one step forward towards the improvement of the structure's span life, decreasing the oxidation risks of reinforcement steel as a result of the EM antioxidant virtues. Due to the overflow of the Bogotá-Tunjuelo River, excavation of stone aggregates flooded, accumulating an approximate volume of 12 million cubic meters of residual water produced by 300,000 inhabitants, generating a sanitary emergency due to the presence of offensive odors and the proliferation of insects and other vectors that this type of contamination brings to. The capital district, through the DAMA, coordinated with Fundases the application of EM technology to mitigate the impact to control the offensive odors. By the application of EM, the conditions of pH, dissolved oxygen, sulfates, and sulfurs in the treated lagoons were improved, reflected in the reduction of odors in a 4 weeks term and also the diminution of health complications. With the application of the EM technology, it was not only achieved the control of sanitary problems generated by flues, but also happened that different government institutions, as the Environment Department, Army, Firefighter Department, and Aqueduct, were illustrated and integrated into the Fundases efforts, looking forward to the improvement of the community life conditions.
The beneficial microorganisms of EM can transform the water polluted with chemicals, the soil polluted with pesticides and chemical fertilizers, and the garbage produced in our daily lives into the power to purify nature